Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use a trending effect called silver hair on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect basically makes your hair silver, just like the England footballer Phil Foden, who has dyed his hair silver for Euro 2020. So let me show you how to use it. So open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover at the bottom left. Search for silver hair. It should appear under effects and should look like this. If you don't see it, then it's not available for your account or for your country. Just wait a few more days and TikTok should be slowly rolling it out to everyone. Tap on the effect and check out how others have used this effect. The main theme is to look like the England footballer Phil Foden. His hair color is inspired by Paul Gascoigne, who had the same hairstyle in Euro 96. When you're ready to record, tap on the record button to use the effect. The effect will take place right away and will make your hair silver. You can use the rear camera to apply the effect on someone else. And there you go, that is how to use the silver hair effect on TikTok, which is trending due to Euro 2020. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.